Let's get started. This innovative hoverboard has been in development since 1997 and has made headlines numerous times. Its standout feature is the use of tracks instead of traditional wheels, which allows riders to cruise through sand, mud, and even climb hills with gradients of up to 20 degrees. With the ability to navigate through shallow streams, it's the ultimate all-terrain ride. According to the Australian development team, the hoverboard has a top speed of approximately 30 km per hour and is fully electric, making it easy to operate with a remote control. In a recent competition, the hoverboard placed 29th among 112 competitors. The company even planned to accept payment in bitcoins. The goal is to give riders from all over the world the opportunity to experience the same level of excitement as they would on an off-road motorcycle or snowmobile. The YX1 is a unique vehicle that defies categorization. It's been described as an electric skateboard, a slimmed-down scooter, and even a crazy lawnmower by some reviewers. While it may not be clear exactly what the YX1 is, one thing is certain: it's a blast to ride. With a top speed of 40 km per hour and a range of 60 km on a single charge, this vehicle packs a punch. It can also support a weight capacity of 120 kilograms. The wheel set is also noteworthy, featuring one 13-inch wheel in the front and two 10-inch wheels in the back. The designers claim that the technology works well on both off-road terrain with gradients of up to 8.5 degrees and on city streets. Weighing in at 22 kilograms, it's easy to transport and fits perfectly in a car. The YX1 was available for pre-order at a price of $1,300. Welcome to a project inspired by the iconic Back to the Future movie. Initially created as a demonstration model, the project gained traction when the designers offered kits for just $300, allowing fans to build their own hoverboard. The response was overwhelming, with over $500,000 raised, double the initial target. Powered by MFA technology based on electromagnetism, the board requires a specially prepared surface and has limitations in terms of noise and energy efficiency. Despite these challenges, the team remains confident that the technology can be adapted for larger-scale applications, such as emergency response systems for buildings. Who knows? Perhaps one day we'll all be soaring through the skies on our very own hoverboards. Experience the magic of flying like Aladdin with the latest innovation in transportation technology, the flying carpet. With the ability to rise 30 centimeters above the ground, this incredible creation allows you to soar over water and explore new horizons. With 36 electric motors generating 275 horsepower, even those weighing up to 110 kilograms can take to the skies at a maximum speed of 20 kilometers per hour. While the flight time is limited to only 3 to 6 minutes on a single charge, manufacturers are touting this creation as a revolutionary breakthrough in transportation. For the first time since the invention of the bicycle, automobile, or airplane, the world is seeing a new era of transportation. But with a sky-high price tag of around $20,000, only the bravest and most adventurous souls will be able to experience the magic of flying on a flying carpet. Introducing the Morph Board, the ultimate multifunctional board for kids and teenagers. The creators are confident that this is the only board you'll ever need, and it's not hard to see why. Thanks to the patented LRT system, this classic skateboard can easily transform into a scooter, bounce board, or even a balance trainer. The bright colors and maximum load capacity of 68 kilograms make it clear that the main target group is young people. The creators' goal was to make active recreation accessible and exciting while saving space, and they've certainly achieved that. One Morph board is much easier to store than several boards and a scooter. This innovative and insanely fun system has received rave reviews, with one reviewer saying it's worth every penny of the $123 price tag. Get your hands on a morph board today and see what all the fuss is about. Have you heard of the dirt surfer? It's like a skateboard, but with bicycle wheels and snowboard bindings. This invention, which originated in Australia, lets you ride on asphalt or ground, perform tricks, and even set up a windsurfing sail. The patented board has become so popular that some countries hold fully fledged competitions. Even amateurs can accelerate up to 25 km per hour, while pro athletes have reached speeds of 145 km per hour. But if you're not into extreme feats, you can choose a more relaxed ride on this board. Just take a look at this DIY master who installed an electric motor and cruises through the city streets at speeds of up to 35 km per hour, traveling 25 km on a single charge. Introducing the world's thinnest skateboard. But what sets it apart are its wheels. At certain angles, they may look square, but they roll well and last 15% longer than standard wheels. The manufacturers promise excellent grip on all terrains, including wet and uneven asphalt and dirt roads. Plus, the top-of-the-line version can reach a top speed of 42 km per hour and travel up to 40 km on a single charge. With 4 speeds and 4 braking modes, it's a versatile ride. Weighing in at only 7 kilograms, it's also reasonably lightweight. Night riders will appreciate the built-in lighting, and one charge can last up to 50 hours. All of these features come at a price of $1,400. Sounds like a steal for such an incredible ride. Introducing the latest innovation in the world of skateboarding, a top-of-the-line skateboard equipped with a powerful 500-watt motor that may seem a bit expensive at $1,800, but is well worth the investment. With this skateboard, you can reach impressive speeds of up to 39 km per hour and travel up to 34 km on a single charge. Its design is truly unique, featuring 9.5-inch wheels and a steerable front wheel that provides greater maneuverability and predictability at high speeds, making the riding experience somewhat reminiscent of a motorcycle. But don't worry, you don't need any special equipment to ride it, just regular closed-toe shoes with a flat sole and enough durability will do. With its scalpel-like precision and ease of use, you can even learn to ride it in just half an hour. Upgrade your skateboarding game with this incredible piece of technology today. As technology advances, so does the way we commute. Take the Wingman, for example, a smart skateboard created by a Tesla engineer. This nifty gadget is not only more portable than a regular skateboard, but also easier to use than a bike. It's so simple to ride that if you can write a social media message, you can write it with ease. What's more, the Wingman can follow its owner and carry their belongings, making it the perfect mode of transportation for those on the go. Once the ride is over, simply fold it up and put it in your backpack. Weighing in at 13 kilograms and with a universal connector, the Wingman can even be used as a camera dolly or mini cart. With all of these features, it's no wonder the project's website is generating buzz. How much do you think it could sell for? If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel, like and leave a comment. Bye.